This video is a quick tutorial on how to create a half double crochet. As you can see here, I've completed a few rows of half double crochets so you can see what those look like. All right, so we can go ahead and get started. I've already done a chain 2 for the beginning of the row. Normally you would do a chain 2 when you're working in rows when doing a row of half double crochets. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start the half double crochet. All you're going to do is wrap the yarn around your hook just like this. So you're going to bring that yarn, it's going to go from behind the hook. You're going to wrap it around just like that. All right. And then after you do that, then you're going to insert your hook right into that stitch. Okay. So we have these 2 loops in our hook right here. We have the hook inserted into that stitch. Then you're gonna grab this yarn right here. You're gonna hook that yarn and pull that through. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 loops in our hook. You're gonna grab this yarn, so we're gonna yarn over, and then you're gonna pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Just like that. And once you've done that, you've completed a half double crochet. I'm gonna go ahead and do this again. Okay, so we have the yarn right here, and I'm gonna wrap it around my hook. Okay, so it's coming from the yarn is behind the hook, and then you're gonna wrap it around. So now it's in front, just like this. Once you've done that, insert it into that next stitch right there, and you're gonna pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3 loops in your hook. Gonna yarn over, pull through all 3 of those loops on your hook. Again, you're gonna bring this yarn around just like this. Then you're gonna insert that hook into that next stitch. You're going to pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. All right, so we're gonna wrap that yarn around like that, insert the hook, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Okay, you're gonna bring that yarn around, insert the hook, pull up that loop, 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and then pull through all 3 loops on your hook. There we go, and I'm gonna go ahead and do one more. Wrap that around. Go into that next stitch, and you're gonna pull that loop. So you have 1, 2, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And that is how you create a half double crochet.